Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to assemble and disassemble it. In order to disassemble the monitor, take a look right here. Here we've got the button we have to press to unlock the monitor stand. Like this. If you want to remove the stand from the monitor, take a look at the bottom of the stand. Right there, we've got the screw. Unscrew the screw so you'll be able to separate the stand from the base. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.